My wife and I have been using this foot massager by Cloud Massage for over 4 years now. After a long and busy day, you come home, all you want to do is kick those shoes off and get comfortable. Well, our next step is to use this foot massager. It provides incredible relief with deep tissue, kneading, compression, and even heat. It has 3 levels of intensity. I recommend starting with level 1 and working your way up, depending on how tender your muscles are. It does have the adjustable handlebar to change the position of the foot massager. In this position, strictly for your feet. If you're sitting, maybe you want to have a nice little inclination, or you could even do your calves. The Cloud Massage gives an incredible massage. And yes, like we mentioned, your feet, your calves, but also your ankles. This is a perfect way to recover after a workout. What a way to cool down, right? And in my case, I have terrible circulation, so it does give me relief in that department. With easy to understand controls, you can customize the way your feet, calves, and ankles are going to get massaged. Say goodbye to achy and swollen feet, and hello to your personal masseuse by Cloud Massage.